Hey, so I want to remind you that just one single product can completely change your life if it catches fire on social media and it starts selling like crazy. And in today's video, I want to share with you a specific product that I shared on Twitter, and it went kind of crazy in terms of views. A lot of people looked at this and they found it interesting. This is one of those things that's counterintuitive. It's not a product that you would think about to launch on Shopify, let's say. Shopify is the best place to launch an e-commerce product if you don't know. There's tons of tutorials out there. There's a way that you can get $1 a month plan through the link in the description. So make sure you use that after this video is done with the inspo I'm about to give you. But as you see here, this is a very interesting product because what it is an acrylic calendar. So a calendar, a wall calendar. And I was shocked to find out that this is actually an exponential trend. So we can see the trend right here, and this is literally exponential. I mean, it's going straight up, it's parabolic. And it's weird because the world is increasingly becoming more and more digital. But as I said right here, this is evidence that it seems people don't want to go fully digital yet. And this is actually a perfect product for a family. I will say, how I found this product is through the incredible research at a ChemiLab Discord. Trust me when I say this, this will become one of the best research tools and communities out there for e-commerce entrepreneurs and investors in general. But for now, we're posting incredible trends. You should definitely join and talk with me here every day. I'm communicating with the community here daily. It's one of the most fun businesses I've ever built, and I'm learning so much through it and just interacting with so many cool entrepreneurs from my community. It's awesome. There's some killers in here, so just make sure you join. It's the second link in the description. But let me show you this video without the noise because we don't want to get copyright claimed. But this kind of showcases exactly what the product is about. And it's an amazing video, by the way. This is what we do in the ChemiLab. We provide you a video as well as a trend for a market. So, use the videos at your own discretion. Definitely a good way to test products is just testing out videos, especially with TikTok these days. I'm sure this video got an incredible amount of hype. It's such a good video though. It literally showcases the product so well. And what's cool about this specific one is that it actually is a customizable product. Like, it has the name of your family on there, so it has an emotional appeal to it as well. Now, diving a little bit deeper in the market, because this is something that I see a lot, right? My business, it's called Akemi, and we work with some 7, 8, and even 9-figure Shopify brands. So we have a great eagle eye view of the overall landscape. And a lot of people, when they come to my channel, they want to drop ship. They're like, Ari, I've tested, 10 products, they haven't worked. I've tested 20 products. I've had people even say they've tested 50 products and have spent like 10K and haven't found any success. And what I would say to those people is, the reason I go deep into this research is because if you're going to launch a business, you shouldn't just spam test products, right? Try to think of why you're launching that business and what market you're addressing, how big it is, how far it could go, and obviously take those steps to actually launch it. But make sure you're putting in some effort into each test. Otherwise you're not going to find success. You're just trying to get lucky. But what we can see here is that the wall calendar market is estimated to reach almost $1 billion by 2031. And right now it's worth $680 million, which is shocking to me because that is a huge market. So you're telling me there's probably out there some 9-figure, 100 million plus calendar brands. This is mind blowing, right? Especially with what I'm saying about an increasingly digital world. I still can't believe this is the case. Now, here's a brand that I found that literally their whole entire focus is these calendars. So all they do is they sell all sorts of calendars, and it's pretty cool. This is probably a really easy product to ship. It's probably a really, easy logistical product, right? Because you don't really need to do much when it comes to stocking. You probably only have like one SKU per product category. They have some really crazy ones, even like a yearly calendar, 12-month yearly calendar. That's insane. But yeah, the store's not very good, to be honest. Whoever is running this, I definitely think it could be a lot better. I don't even think it's actually ran on Shopify. I think this is a WordPress store or something. It's actually ran by this family, which is super cool. I mean, I think these guys are amazing, manufactured in the US, etc. This is super cool. But I definitely think they could do a lot better when it comes to their website design, when it comes to their marketing. But they're still doing pretty well. 30,000 monthly visitors, not bad. But the reason I show you that is because even though there is a lot of competition, there's not great competition. Like, there's a lot of Etsy sellers selling this, but there's no like really cool brand selling this. So that could be you, right? Take all of the lessons that we've learned from all the case studies, and add a modern touch to this, or a unique branding or unique brand identity to this calendar, and it's likely to do quite well. And yeah, if I were to start a business like this, I would say just kind of copy this framework of video, post like 10 of these on TikTok for free, see which one does the best, and then launch those with Meta ads or TikTok ads. I think that's a good playbook for launching a business these days. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of it for this one. Really wanted to dive deeper into this acrylic calendar because I posted it on all social medias. And it got a lot of interesting reception from people. People thought it was interesting. So I figured, you know what? Why don't I dive deeper into it on YouTube? So that's what this was. Incredible one product store potential here. And make sure that you join the Chemi Lab. I want to say that again. I just really want to continue to get the best entrepreneurs that watch my videos to join the community, because it only makes the community stronger. And the research within it is only growing more and more. So we're going to be the biggest research database for e-commerce at one point, and you definitely want to get in early. So yeah, that's about it. See you in the next video. Peace.